Hi everyone, welcome at the Social Trade Fair. You can follow us here at Facebook Flower Factor, but also at the Royal Flora Holland Facebook page. I'm going to show you something really simple, really effective and really quick. We're going to work with this beautiful material. It's new and this product has won the Glass Tulip Award. It's Talinum paniculatum Long John. Very nice new product. You can see beautiful small berries with color changes, so that should be interesting. So we have this straight cylindrical glass vases and this colored wall, just cutting it off like this, and then I'm using my knife, pushing it underneath. It's that simple. So we're going to do that 3 times. Maybe it's also nice to play a little bit with the different heights. We're going to add some water, and then we're going to work with these beautiful long stems, and I'm just going to place them in really simple, and I'm going to use quite a lot of them. And when we have beautiful products, you don't need a lot of different materials to make a statement. When you take your branches, just shake it a little bit so the berries come more natural, loose from the other branches. And from the same company, we have these beautiful clematis, really nice product. In this case, I'm going to take off a lot of leaves. They will draw a lot of attention. For me, the combination of the little berries and just the fragile flowers is more stronger. So the leaves, in my opinion, are distracting too much if I would leave them on. I'm going to add a little detail, same material but then in one color. So I have this filth, and basically what we're going to do, and I'm not going to do it now because we're working on location, but if you have a little bit of spray glue and we put the little felt ball inside, it will stick to the little branches. And the last one we're going to place here. Really nice, really quick, and really easy also. So I hope you got inspired by the materials, by the technique, and of course we would love to see your version. See you next time.